Okay, good morning everyone, and thank you for the opportunity to present. My name is Bayu Aswenda from Lembah 72, MBA SPM ITB. Today, I will present the result of a meta-synthesis based on 20 peer review paper with the topic pricing strategies of renewable energy retailers in competitive markets. This topic is highly relevant today as the global transition toward clean energy requires not only technological advancement but also smart adaptive pricing strategies that reflect market competition and consumer behavior. The shift toward renewable energy is not just about generation, but also about how energy is priced and delivered to consumers. In competitive electricity markets, retailers play a crucial role in facilitating this transition. The study explored how renewable energy retailers have adapted their pricing models to balance profitability, consumer engagement, and sustainability objectives. Key strategies like dynamic pricing, subscription models, and technology-enabled tariff emerge as central tools for success in this evolving landscape. Electricity markets worldwide are undergoing a dual transformation: market liberalization and decarbonization. Renewable energy retailers operate at the intersection of these forces. They face unique challenges: high capital costs, intermittency, and regulatory volatility, while also encountering opportunities to innovate in pricing. As noted in several papers, such as the study by Chawla, pricing strategy is not merely about covering costs. It is a signal, a differentiation tool, and a policy lever. This presentation sets the stage to understand how pricing has evolved and why it matters for a renewable future. The study has three primary objectives. First, to identify various pricing strategies employed by renewable energy retailers across different competitive markets. The second, to examine the influence of technological innovation, consumer behavior, and regulatory framework on these strategies. Third, to formulate actionable recommendations that can inform pricing reform in Indonesia, where retail competition is emerging but not yet mature. These objectives are addressed through systematic meta-synthesis of 20 selected papers, ensuring that insights are drawn from diverse geographies, policy settings, and business models. The methodology used in this study is meta-synthesis. Unlike a conventional literature review, meta-synthesis emphasizes pattern recognition, thematic coding, and the triangulation of insight across empirical and theoretical studies. All 20 papers were reviewed for their methodology, region, contribution to pricing models, and relevance to competitive markets. On the papers, provided framework that were particularly useful in structuring the comparative analysis. The result is a high-level synthesis that distills complex market behavior into actionable categories. The most prevalent pricing strategies identified include time of use, real-time pricing, critical peak pricing, subscription pricing, and green energy bundles. Dynamic pricing model, such as RTP, align consumer demand with renewable generation pattern, thereby increasing grid efficiency and lowering costs. Subscription pricing and green bundles, as noted by the work of Lee and He, create value by bundling electricity with services like carbon offset or energy efficiency. Each strategy reflects a trade-off between price stability, cost recovery, and customer engagement. Technology is the backbone of strategic pricing. smart meters, and AI-powered demand forecasting enable the implementation of real-time tariffs. Blockchain technologies, as discussed in Hue, enhance billing transparency and reduce transaction costs. Furthermore, platforms that leverage IoT data allow for personalization of tariff, increasing customer satisfaction and retention. The synthesis reveals that retailers who integrate digital tools are more agile in responding to regulatory shift and consumer preference, especially in volatile energy markets. Policy significantly shape pricing. Carbon pricing scheme, renewable portfolio standards, and feed-in tariff impact both the cost base and revenue model in renewable energy retailers. The regulation, as discussed in several European-based studies, creates space for innovation but also adds volatility. Net metering policies, such as those in the US and Australia, influence how rooftop solar is priced. The meta-synthesis shows that successful pricing strategies are often those that anticipate and align with regulatory trend rather than merely reacting to them. Retailers are transitioning from commodity supplier to service-oriented platform. Customer segmentation, brand identity, and loyalty programs become strategic asset. Several papers emphasize that modern retailers success not only by offering competitive price, but also by creating value through sustainability, transparency, and community engagement. This evolution parallels what we see in other utility sectors and point to the convergence between energy retail and digital customer experience management. Indonesia stands at a pivotal moment. While retail competition is limited, the country can benefit from global license. Trialing real-time price and time-of-use pricing through regulatory sandbox, bundling renewable product via application like PLN Mobile, and encouraging private renewable energy retailers through transparent licensing are key opportunities. The Indonesia government can foster innovation by allowing control market experimentation, learning from success in countries like Germany, Texas, and the UK. These strategies can accelerate adoption while ensuring affordability and reliability. In conclusion, the pricing strategies of renewable energy retailers are essential levers in the global energy transition. This meta-synthesis of 20 academic papers reveals that pricing is not merely an economic function, but a strategic tool. It influences consumption patterns, investment flows, and policy implementation. For countries like Indonesia, embracing flexible, tech-enabled, and consumer-centric pricing model is not just desirable. It is necessary to ensure a sustainable, equitable, and competitive electricity future. This presentation is grounded in 20 peer-reviewed journal article, majority from Science Direct. All references have been synthesized to support the finding present, ensuring academic rigor and real-world relevance. I think it's enough from me. Thank you for your attention.